And I never asked for a perfect life. I asked for a partner who fights.
And what if I lose that fight?
Then we lose together.
Every morning, this city asks me what I bring to the table, Garud.
And every morning, I'm still building the table, Bhairav.
My parents found a boy. Stable job, no waiting.
So love needs a deadline now?
Marriage is not about comfort, it's about courage.
Dreams don't pay rent in Mumbai.
But without dreams, we become tenants in our own lives.
They came.
You should open it.
Say something, please.
What can I say that money hasn't already said louder?
I'm scared, Arav,
Of losing me?
of choosing wrong.
Loving me should not feel like a risk.
Open the door.
What?
If they can give you the life I cannot, you deserve to see it.
Are you letting me go?
I'm refusing to trap you. And I never asked for a perfect life. I asked for a partner who fights.
And what if I lose that fight?
Then we lose together.
We're waiting.
Tell me one thing.
Anything.
Will you choose me even if the world chooses against us?
What will Arav choose?
No what?
That you were choosing me, not my success.
Love is not a test, Arav. You didn't trust me. Will you choose me even if the world chooses against us?
No.
What?
I won't choose you against the world. I will choose you with the world.
Today I lied.
Lied?
It wasn't an interview. I got the job.
You watched me suffer and said nothing?
Because I needed to know
No what?
that you were choosing me, not my success.
Love is not a test, Arav. You didn't trust me.
Now I have a decision too. I'm sorry, I love you.
Not between you and another man, but between love and respect. I can't let this define me forever. No, this can't be real.
I thought leaving her was right. But why does it still hurt like hell?
How could he move on so fast? After everything after us? No, I'm not gonna cry anymore. Not for him.
You weren't supposed to find out yet.
Tell me who he is. Everything I believed in a lie? You tested me. All this time, everything was a lie.
I needed to know the truth. Truth!
You destroyed my trust. Why?
Why didn't you tell me about her? Do you still love me?
I was trying to protect you. You don't understand.
Yes, this isn't over, not tonight.
What will Arav do? Like, comment and share your thoughts.
Mira, there's something you don't know.
What now?
The man you are about to marry, he's the reason my father died.
What?
He ruined my family. I stayed away to protect you.
Take the gun!
Run, Mira! Take me.
No!
Let her go.
Arav, stop!
Some love is worth dying for.
No, I won't lose him again.
Love always makes people weak. Now let's see how far she'll go to save you.
Arav? Arav! If you want him alive, come alone. You took my love, now face my war. Where is Arav?
Old factory outside the city. They know everything. Love makes people weak.
Let him go!
Reveal your secret or he dies.
What secret? Everything that happened started because of me.
Who are you?
Your past is coming back.
Your love caused the accident that destroyed our family.
Is this true? You lied to me. Our love was built on lies.
I was protecting you. You want revenge? Take it from me. You already lost everything.
He suffered for me. Arav. truth now. Forgive me.
Love doesn't need forgiveness. I was blinded by anger. If you stay by choice, not guilt.
I choose you. Always.
After everything we survived,
Love always finds a.
I'm grateful I found you
true love is choosing each other.
every day.